Hi you guys. So I know it's been a few weeks since I've done a grocery haul. It's just been crazy busy over the summer. I've had a lot of changes at work. My schedule has changed, and not a permanent change, but for like 8 weeks I had to change my schedule. And then we took a trip to the mountains, which I haven't posted that video. I hope to get it up soon, but it's a lot of footage to go through and edit. And then we've been busy with taekwondo. We had some graduations, some testings. So I made it, finally tested for my second degree and got that. So it's just been really busy. The girls are the only ones in school and they start back this week. So that's kind of exciting, but also not, because we got to get up early again. But the nice thing is my older daughter, who's a senior, she will only have to go for like half a day. So she could have graduated early, but she wanted to graduate with her senior class. And she also wanted to partake in like advanced choir. So she is just going to be going to school half a day. So that'll be interesting to see how that works out. So I am actually headed to Aldi, and I think I may actually swing into Publix, which isn't somewhere I shop very often just because I find Publix to be overpriced. But they do have pretty good buy one get one frees every week. So since I'm going to be in the area, I'm just going to swing in there, see what they have, buy one get one free. So I will share both hauls with you guys once I get back. So see you guys in a little bit. Alright you guys, so I am back from Aldi and Publix. So first let me share the meal plan for the week with you. I'm just keeping it super simple. So I'm going to make some sausage, dirty rice, and we'll have that with some green beans. And then I'm going to make a baked penne pasta. And I'll probably make some homemade focaccia bread to go with that. It's really simple. And then I'll make a breakfast casserole bake. Then we'll have some hamburger steak with mashed potatoes and broccoli. And then probably taco salad and quesadillas. And then we'll just fill in the rest of the days with whatever I already have on hand. So I did pick up 2 packs of the grass-fed ground beef. This is still a really good price. I think right now it's around $4.50 a pound. And then I got 8 containers of strawberry yogurt for my son. Picked up some frozen broccoli. And I picked up some tater tots for the breakfast casserole. I'll just thaw them out a little, throw them in a 9x13. Beat some eggs with some cream, cheese, and cooked sausage and pour that over and then bake it. Super simple. Picked up some ham and some turkey breast for sandwiches and salads this week. And then I picked up a box of yellow rice. This is for the sausage dirty rice. I just wanted something quick and already seasoned, so I just picked this up for that. My daughter went with me to Aldi, so she wanted a couple of things. So she wanted some pasta salad to make over the weekend for her lunch. Picked up the penne for the baked pasta this week. And then I picked up just 1 box of cereal, just some marshmallow stars, because we have several boxes that need to be finished before we open up a new one. My daughter also wanted the juicy gummies for her lunchbox, so I obliged since it is the first week back to school. She also wanted some instant mashed potatoes, so I thought that was fine. I did not have to do the work of making homemade mashed potatoes, so I picked those up for her, and we'll have those with the hamburger steak. My daughter wanted me to make some cream cheese or cheesecake brownies, so I picked up a block of cream cheese. I have some bagels still frozen, and so I was going to pull those out, so I needed some cream cheese spread for that. And then I picked up a bowl of fresh mozzarella. I want to try the keto carnivore egg white faux mashed potato recipe from Chris Cooking Nashville's channel, which I'll link that down below if you're interested in checking that out if you haven't already. So I'm not a big mashed potato fan, but I thought it'd be fun to try the recipe out and see how they compare. My daughter loves the sliced mozzarella and she wants to put that in her lunchbox, so I picked that up for her. I love Aldi's pico, and I didn't want to have to make homemade pico for taco salad and quesadillas tonight, so I just went ahead and picked that up. We actually have quite a bit of cheese left, so I just picked up 1 block of cheddar and then a pack of Colby Jack and Munster. We got 2 bags of sweet butter lettuce, and the avocados are on sale this week. They are 49 cents an avocado, which is really great, so I picked up 2 of those. Picked up 3 Roma tomatoes, a couple of containers of strawberries, some bananas, and blackberries were also on sale for $1.49, so I picked up 1 of those. I'm the only one in the family that likes blackberries, so just got 1. My daughter's been loving kiwis lately, so I picked her up a container of those. Then we got 3 dozen eggs. And my kids really like this mango passion fruit juice, so we picked up 2 of those. We've been getting that instead of apple juice here lately. We needed more heavy whipping cream. Then I was also out of green beans, so I went ahead and picked up 4 cans of those. We got a whole gallon of milk, some wheat bread, and my daughter wanted some of the chocolate chip brioche to have for breakfast a couple of days this week before school. She likes to put cream cheese on top of this. So that is everything we picked up at Aldi, where we spent just under $105 for the week. So let me get this put away and I'll show you what I picked up at Publix. So everything I picked up at Publix was buy one, get one free, except for the French bread pizzas. They were 3 for $10, which is a little cheaper than Aldi. I believe at Aldi they're around $3.79 a box. So these come out to be like $3.33 a box. And my son likes to have these on hand for like late night snacks. So I got 3 of those for him. They had these flounder fillets, buy one, get one free. I only got 1 box just to see if my son likes them. And then they also had the Real Good brand, buy one, get one free. I actually really like this, and the lasagna is one of my favorites. I have a ton of them already in my freezer from a Harris Teeter sale, so I only picked up 2 boxes, but they come out to be around $2.75 a box, which is a really good price. And I love having these for dinner with like a side of green beans or broccoli. So I just love keeping these on hand because it makes a quick meal for me on busy nights. They had the Califia Farms also buy one, get one free. I usually get the toasted coconut, which is really good for like sweet and for like coffee or something, but for like savory type things, I don't like it as much. So I've never tried just the plain coconut. So I picked 1 of those up instead of almond milk this week. I got 2 jars of ragu. I really should have bought a lot more because I believe Aldi's price for sauce is now $1.50. And these, with the sale price, they were like $1.10 a jar. So I should have picked up more because we are running low in the pantry on spaghetti sauce. They also had the whole fruit bars, buy one, get one free. And we've only ever been able to find the strawberry and the mango at our Harris Teeter. And at Publix, they had several different varieties, but I just picked up strawberry because that's my kid's favorite, and then watermelon. And then they also had like their cereal bars, buy one, get one free, which we've never bought before, but it made, with the sale price, it came out to less than $2 a box. So I picked these up as like a special back to school treat to put in their lunchbox. So that is everything we picked up at Publix for the weekend. It came in just under $35. So between both stores, we did stick to that under $150 budget, which was great.
Hope you guys have a great week ahead, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!